Hey guys, so we need to talk about Ethereum because there's a lot going on right now. So, I personally bought Ethereum right over here and I'm up a lot on it. Initially, this thing dropped, caused a little bit of manipulation. Luckily, it never hit my stop loss and now it's up. And I'm still holding this trade actually. Now, we are at all-time highs and this is where I originally wanted to take profits. But I am not going to be taking profits here simply because of the chart of Bitcoin dominance, and the Bitcoin versus Ethereum chart. So we're going to talk about these things right now. But first, let's talk about the chart of Ethereum. Now, when it comes to the level that we're at right now, we're almost at double top all-time high resistance. And yes, that is a major level of resistance, and this would be a good spot to take profits. But the thing is, this is Ethereum, and Ethereum has a lot of retail traders, and a lot of retail traders and investors are talking about Ethereum, right? Now, they're all going to see this level, and they're all going to take, maybe a short position here or some sort of trade, right? To them, this might be a no-brainer short. And if that does happen, then I wouldn't be surprised if the price actually goes higher, because whales would try to liquidate them. The algorithms will try to liquidate them, which would make the price potentially go a lot higher. Okay. Now, if I'm wrong and this thing does pull back and consolidate, probability still favors upside after. Whether we get a bigger pullback and then go up, it still favors upside simply because the cycles are not over yet, right? And when you look at Bitcoin, it actually just started to pop now. So you guys can see here, the head and shoulders pattern, the bull flag, which we talked about in our previous video. We've broken above and now we're continuing higher, and we still have quite a ways to go. I would say about 130K maybe before a pullback, and then probably 150K before a major pullback. And because of this chart, I remain extremely bullish on Ethereum, right? So remember, whenever you're looking at a cryptocurrency like an altcoin, anything that's not Bitcoin, you want to look at Bitcoin because everything follows Bitcoin. So this crypto applies to every crypto, okay? Now, taking a look at the BTC.D chart, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. You guys can see here we had a bear flag. We had this thing played out. It basically got to support here, got a pullback, and now I think the price is trying to break below this. And if it does, and it confirms below it, we could have a lot of potential downside. Could we go back up? Yes. I think it's possible we go back up one more time before this thing dumps to the downside here, but there's a possibility we just start heading down right now. So if that does happen, then that would be really good for Ethereum, and that's another reason why I'm holding Ethereum. Now, I did actually close about 80% of my position, like right over here, somewhere here, and I'm just holding 20% and trailing this thing to potentially 10, maybe even 15K. We'll see. But again, 80% of my trade is closed, so I'm safe now, right? But let me know in the comments what you guys think about Ethereum. Do you think it'll continue going higher, or do you think it'll respect this resistance area? By all means, I don't think it's a good time to enter now, but I do think it makes for a decent hold. Hey, I send out trade alerts so that you guys can copy me and get the same results as me. We do have a 75% win rate, and it comes with daily classes so that you guys can learn how I trade and find out exactly why we entered a trade. If you guys want all of this for free, just message me W.